Listen carefully, because 6 months is all you need to completely change your life. 6 months. Not 10 years. Not forever. 6 months of doing the right things will change how you look, how you feel, and how people treat you. 6 months of gym. 6 months of eating right. 6 months of discipline. 6 months of self-respect. And yet, most people waste it. They scroll. They procrastinate. They say, I'll start next month. Then the year ends. They underestimate small habits. They think big results need big effort. They're wrong. Small, consistent actions compound, day by day, week by week. By 6 months, you won't even recognize yourself. 2026 is almost here, and you don't get unlimited restarts. This video is not motivation. This is a system, a no BS glow-up plan that actually works. If you follow it, 11 steps. Simple, practical, actionable. Follow them in order, commit fully, and by the end of 2026, you will not recognize yourself. Let's begin. Step 1. Drop body fat the smart way. Most men don't know what they actually look like. Why? Because body fat hides your face, jawline, cheekbones, eye area, all buried. Your goal is not getting skinny. Your goal is getting lean while keeping muscle. Here's how you do it correctly. First, awareness. Track what you eat for 1 week. No changes. No guilt. Just data. Then reduce calories slightly. Only 300 to 500 calories, not more. Protein is non-negotiable. At least 1 gram per kilogram of body weight. Lift weights 3 to 5 times per week. Focus on compound movements. Add light cardio. Walking is enough. 30 to 45 minutes daily. Avoid extreme diets. They destroy your face. They make you look tired, and consistency beats intensity. Always. Pro tip: take progress photos every 2 weeks. The scale doesn't always tell the full story. Your face changes. Your body changes. These photos show the real transformation. Step 2. Fix your sleep or nothing else matters. If your sleep is bad, your glow up will fail. No exceptions. Sleep controls, hormones, fat loss, muscle growth, skin quality, hair health, mental focus, mood. You cannot out-train bad sleep. You cannot out-supplement bad sleep. Here's the fix. Sleep and wake up at the same time every day. Even weekends. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. No screens 1 hour before bed. If that's hard, turn your phone screen black and white at night. It kills dopamine instantly. Sleep in a dark room. Cool room if possible. Pro tip: get 5 to 10 minutes of morning sunlight. No sunglasses. Meditation or breathing exercises for 5 minutes before bed. Improve sleep quality drastically. Fix sleep first. Everything else becomes easier. Step 3. Be productive and kill laziness. Most people are not lazy. They are overwhelmed. Big tasks feel heavy, so they avoid them. Here's the solution. Break every task into stupidly small steps. So small, it feels embarrassing not to do it. Instead of go to the gym, say, put on gym clothes. Instead of study for 2 hours, say, open the book. Instead of fix my life, say, clean my desk. Momentum comes after action, not before. Use the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I'll do this for 5 minutes. Once you start, you'll keep going. Remove distractions. Phone away. Notifications off. 1 task at a time. Reward yourself for completing small tasks. It reinforces consistency. Discipline is not force. It's structure. Use a to-do app and schedule every action in 30-minute blocks. Seeing it visually makes it harder to skip. Step 4. Join the gym and fix your diet. Home workouts are fine, but the gym changes you faster. It gives structure, routine, and identity. Join the gym. No excuses. Train consistently, not perfectly. Follow a simple split. Push, pull, legs. Progress slowly. Add reps or weight over time. Now diet. Eat real food. Protein every meal. Fruits, vegetables, carbs for energy, fats for hormones. Avoid junk food most days. Not forever, just most days. Your body is built from what you eat. Respect it. Pro tip: meal prep on Sundays. Pre-packed meals prevent impulsive eating. Step 5. Grooming. The details most guys ignore. This is where most men fail. They train, but they look neglected. Fix this. Haircut every 3 to 5 weeks. Always. Clean nails. Trim them weekly. Teeth brushed twice a day. Floss daily. Tongue cleaned. Bad breath kills attraction instantly. Lips moisturized. Dry lips look unhealthy. Body hair under control. Chest. Back. Shoulders. Smell matters. Clean body wash. Daily deodorant. 1 subtle fragrance. If people smell you before they see you, you've already lost. Extra tip: Exfoliate your body weekly. It makes skin smooth and highlights muscles. Step 6. Simple skincare that actually works. You do not need 10 products. You need consistency. Morning routine, cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, night routine, cleanser, moisturizer. That's it. If you have acne, use salicylic acid 2 to 3 times per week. If your skin is dull, exfoliate gently once per week. Drink water. Eat fruits. Move your body. Good skin comes from lifestyle. Products only support it. Pro tip: use a tiny amount of vitamin C serum for brightness and anti-aging effects. Step 7. Fix your posture and body language. Posture is silent confidence. Slouching makes you look insecure. Even if you're fit, stand tall. Shoulders back, chest open, neck neutral. When you walk, walk slower. When you talk, pause more. Confidence is not loud, it's calm. Practice daily. People will treat you differently without knowing why. Extra tip: mirror practice helps. Observe your gestures and correct them. Step 8. Focus on dressing sense. Style is not fashion, it's intention. Wear clean fitted clothes. Neutral colors. Black, white, gray, navy, earth tones. Fit matters more than brand. Cheap clothes that fit beat expensive clothes that don't. Keep shoes clean, always. Minimal accessories. Watch, ring, chain if it suits you. Less is more. Pro tip: one versatile outfit can make you look pulled together every day. Step 9. Social confidence is part of the glow up. You can't glow up and hide. Confidence is a skill, not a personality trait. Practice daily. Eye contact, clear voice, slow speech. Talk to people, cashiers, gym staff, strangers. Small reps build big confidence. The more you expose yourself, the stronger you become. Extra tip: smile more often. It makes you instantly approachable. Step 10. Focus on earning money. Here's the truth: you're not ugly, you're poor. Money gives options. Better food, better grooming, better clothes, better environment. This doesn't mean chase money only. It means increase your value. Learn a skill. Work harder. Use your time wisely. Money removes friction from your glow up. Extra tip: invest in self-education. Books, courses, mentors. It compounds faster than income. Step 11. Looks maxing is an investment. Stop seeing glow up as vanity. See it as an investment. People who look good get treated better. That's reality. More respect, more opportunities, more confidence. Every hour you put into yourself pays interest for years. Pro tip: track improvements visually and numerically. It keeps you accountable. 6 months. That's all it takes. But only if you start. Most people will watch this video. Few will act. Be the one who acts. If this video helped you, make sure to like it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell so you don't miss any glow-up tips in 2026. Remember, 2026 is a fresh start. A chance to transform your life, your look, and your confidence. Don't waste it. Take action now and make this year yours.